Ever struggled to figure out which laser engraver is actually worth investing in? In this video, we'll take a clear, professional look at CNC laser machines and how they perform in real-world projects, from wood signs to leather goods and small batch production. I'll share hands-on observations, highlighting what works efficiently, what slows you down, and the features that truly matter. No marketing fluff, no vague specs, just practical insights to help you make an informed choice. By the end, you'll have a realistic understanding of these machines and which setups are suited for serious hobbyists or small business use. Number 5. ELIDOR Z6 6W Laser Engraver. I've tested a lot of hobby tools, and most of them end up collecting dust. This one didn't. It actually earned a permanent spot on my desk. I've been using the ELIDOR Z6 6W for small weekend projects, custom coasters, engraved leather patches, little wooden signs. It's become my go-to when I want something personalized without sending it out to a shop. It cuts cleanly, and the detail work on wood and coated surfaces looks crisp. The biggest plus for me, it feels capable without feeling complicated. Once it's set up, it just gets the job done. That said, you'll need a bit of patience at the start. Tweaking settings for different materials takes some trial and error. If you're a maker, a crafter, or thinking about starting small custom projects, this fits nicely. If you're expecting heavy-duty industrial performance, this isn't built for that. Number 4. DAJA DJ6 Mini. My desk was a mess of half-finished craft ideas. I wanted to personalize small gifts, wooden tags, leather keychains, but hand tools just weren't cutting it. That's when I tried the DAJA DJ6. It's tiny. Honestly, it fits right next to my laptop without taking over the table. I started engraving names onto wood scraps and little bamboo pieces. It became part of my evening routine. Design something simple, press start, watch it come to life. What I appreciated most was how easy it was to get started. The tutorials helped, and I didn't feel lost. One thing though, the space is small. You're limited to palm-sized projects. If you enjoy small DIY crafts and want something simple for home use, this makes sense. Just don't expect big projects from it. Number 3. Algolaser DIYKIT MK2. Ever wished your laser engraver didn't have to be tied to your laptop all the time? That was my frustration before trying the Algolaser DIYKIT MK2. I wanted something I could set up in the workshop, load a file, and let it run without babysitting a computer. With the built-in screen and Wi-Fi connection, I can send a design over, save it, and start engraving directly from the machine. For weekend projects like cutting plywood signs or engraving detailed artwork, it fits naturally into my routine. What stands out is the freedom. It feels more independent than most hobby machines. The downside? It's still a diode laser. Thick acrylic and metal are not its thing. If you're a serious hobbyist or small seller, it makes sense. Total beginners or industrial users should look elsewhere. Number 2. Twotrees TTS-20 Pro. I'll say this up front. This is the kind of laser engraver you buy when you're ready to take your projects seriously. After using smaller machines, the jump in power and speed here is noticeable. Cutting thicker wood feels less like a waiting game, and engraving larger pieces without constantly repositioning material changes the workflow completely. I've used it for batch-making wooden signs and leather patches, and it handles that pace comfortably. What really stands out is how fast it moves without sacrificing detail. It feels built for productivity, not just experimenting. That said, it's still an open-frame diode machine. You'll need proper ventilation and realistic expectations about metal or clear acrylic cutting. If you're upgrading or running a small craft business, it makes sense. Casual hobby dabblers might find it more than they need. Number 1. ACMER P2 33-watt lasers. I use this to cut layered wooden signs for a weekend market. Larger panels, repeated designs, tight deadlines. The 33-watt power makes a difference. Cuts go deeper in fewer passes. Jobs finish faster. The 420 by 400 millimeter area helps with bigger pieces and small batch runs. It feels stable. The metal frame adds confidence during long sessions. Air assist and safety features are practical, not decorative, good for extended cutting work. The weakness is size and noise. It needs proper space and ventilation, not something you casually place on a small desk. This is for serious hobbyists or small business owners scaling up production, not ideal for beginners or occasional DIY users who just want simple engraving. Thanks for sticking around and watching the full review. If you're curious to see more details or check out specs, I've dropped some links down in the description. You can take a closer look at anything that caught your eye. No rush, just explore at your own pace. And if you found this helpful, feel free to come back for more tips and real-world insights on gear like this. I'll catch you in the next video.